Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to divide the polynomial. You can see here one dividend is given here, fx, and gx is divisor. We have to divide these two. Let's take a start solution. First of all, we have to write down the divisor x minus 2, and here we have to write down the dividend. Dividend is 4x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 7. We have to divide this and we have to find odd quotient and remainder. So let's take a start. X into which variable and number it become 4x cube. Here is x, here is cube, so we need x square. X power 2 into x, it will be x cube, but here is 4 also, so we have to write down 4. Our main aim is to remove first term always. Now you can see here x into 4x square, it will be 4x cube, minus 2 into 4, how much we get? Minus 8. So we can write here minus 8 x square, so x square. Now we have to change the sign. If positive, we have to write negative. If negative, we have to write on positive. This two cancelled. Now minus 3 plus 8, we get 5. So we can write here 5x square. Here is plus x minus 7. So write on plus x minus 7. Hope you understand up to here. Here is positive, so we have to write here positive. Now x into which variable it become 5x square. X into which number and variable it become 5x square. Always we have to remove first one. So here is 5, so we have to write on 5. X into which variable it become x square? Definitely x. So x into 5x, we get here 5x square, minus 2 into 5x, we get here minus 10x. Now we have to solve again. If here is positive, we have to write negative. If negative, we have to write on positive. We have to change the sign. Now we can cancel this 2. After that, you can see here these two are like terms, so we can add plus x minus plus 10x, it will be 11x. Here is minus 7, so write down the minus 7. Our first aim is to remove first term. It means what is here first term? 11x. So here is positive, so write on positive. Now x into which number it will be 11x? Definitely 11. So we have to write here 11. 11 into x, 11x, minus plus minus 2 into 11, it will be 22. Now change the sign. If positive, we have to write negative. If negative, we have to write on positive. This two cancelled. And when you solve this one, minus 7 plus 22, it will be how much? You can see here is minus 7 and plus 22. When you have to subtract, how much we get there? It will be 15, so we have to write down 15. Now you can see here this is quotient, so we can write here qx, quotient is equal to 4x square plus 5x plus 11, and remainder rx is equal to 15.